Next, we'll be talking about GoPrep's built-in referral system. So we're on the marketing page and on the referrals tab, and we'll come to referral settings. Firstly, we'll want to make sure that we enable this. And for the first setting here, coupons only, I'm going to come back to that in a little while once it makes more sense. For now, we'll continue down. So kickback type. What kind of kickback would you like to give to somebody if they refer a friend? Store credit or cash? Then we have the decision, where do we want to display their referral info? Is this only on their notifications, or is this also right at the top of your menu page? Some people usually prefer to take it off the menu and leave it only in notifications, but that's up to you. Next is frequency. So if I was to refer one of my friends, do I get credit for all orders with my link or coupon? Do I get orders for only my friend's first order? Or do I get credit for all orders regardless if they used the link or coupon? And then finally, we could set the kickback amount in either a percentage or flat rate. Now let's go over what I meant by coupons and links. Well, by default, every customer that signs up will have their own referral URL. If they share that with their friends, they'll get credit for that order. And we can see here, John Turner referred one customer for one order, and he earned $2.14 in credit. And if he uses this code during checkout, he could apply that credit. Now, what if John Turner is a personal trainer and he's going to be referring a lot of people to us? That's a lot of work for him to have to copy and paste the link to everyone. So what we could do is come over to our coupons page and create a coupon for him, right? So he could refer his friends or his clients to use the code JTurner, and that'll give them 5% off on their order. But even further, back on our referrals page, in referral settings, I've linked the coupon code JTurner to the user John Turner. So just by them using that code, John will get credit for it and he'll earn his kickback amount. So that brings us all the way back up to the top, the first setting I was referring to. Coupons only would mean only people like John, who have a coupon associated to him, can get credit for referrals, or are we going to allow people to get credit with the URL as well?